If you've just seen a e01 beko dishwasher flashing on the screen and your dishes are still sitting there covered in yesterday's pasta sauce, you're probably feeling a little annoyed and more than a little confused. What does this code even mean? Is your dishwasher broken? Is it something you can fix yourself, or is it time to start Googling repair services? Take a deep breath. Let's figure it out together. The E01 beko dishwasher error usually means there's a drainage problem. Your machine is trying to get rid of the dirty water, but something's stopping it. The good news? This is one of those issues that's often fixable without professional help. But before you start pulling the dishwasher out of its spot, there's one small thing people forget to check, and it can make all the difference. Let's start with the basics. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power supply for safety. Now, open the bottom panel and take a look at the filter and drain pump. Over time, bits of food, grease, and even small objects like glass shards or popcorn kernels can build up and block the water from flowing out. If you see any debris, clean it out thoroughly. Next, check the drain hose at the back. Is it bent, twisted, or clogged? A simple kink can stop the water from draining, which the machine reads as an error. Straighten it out and make sure it's not blocked. Still seeing the error? That's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue isn't with the filter or hose, it's with the circulation pump or the heating system. If the pump's jammed or the thermostat isn't working, your dishwasher might not heat the water properly, and it could trigger the same E01 beko dishwasher error. These parts can wear out over time, especially in older machines, or if there's been a recent power surge. You could try resetting the dishwasher. On most beko models, pressing and holding the start button for 5 seconds does the trick. If the machine beeps and clears the error, you're good to go. But if the code keeps coming back after you've cleaned everything and try to reset, there's a good chance something deeper, like a faulty pump or thermostat, needs attention. And here's the part most people miss. Even if everything looks clean, the problem might still be hidden inside the pump mechanism or under the base. If you're not comfortable opening panels or working with electronics, that's when it's time to call in a technician. So don't worry just yet. The E01 beko dishwasher error might look serious, but in many cases, it's just your dishwasher asking for a quick cleanup and a reset. And with a little patience, you might just fix it without spending a cent.